162 lost.
Who is a beautiful wife of Indranil. She's come here with baby in arms to support her husband. How does it feel to sit on the sidelines and watch your husband play cricket?
It's really scary because this is the first time Bengal Tigers is part of CCL, and I don't think anybody imagined, it's going to be so grand, it's going to be great, but at the same time, like I said, it's really scary. And the Karnataka team is playing really well, I have to say. I do know it was one of the best teams last year. They made it to the finals last year, so definitely Bengal Tigers is in for a lot of competition. But hey, what's a game without competition?
Exactly.
So yeah.
And I mean, it must be so different to support your husband on the red carpet and then come out here and on a cricket field. It's a different vibe, isn't it? Because the nerves are involved. I mean, going to watch a movie is a lot less stressful, isn't it?
Well, it totally is, because this is a totally different side of my husband that I'm seeing here today. In fact, a totally different side of all the actors that we get to see. And it's great because these boys have so much fun. There's so much brotherhood between them. And the whole teamwork, everything, I think it's not there in film because everyone is doing their own thing. But here they're all together as a team, and I think that is a great part, and I think everyone should just have fun while playing. So
Oh, definitely. And has this been a long dream for him? Has he always been a big fan of cricket?
he loves cricket. I think if he wasn't an actor, he'd be a cricketer. He's so fond of cricket. So this is definitely like a big step for him. It's very exciting. It's very what should I say? It's something that he's always wanted to do. Last year, unfortunately, Bengal wasn't there, but this year it was, and he jumped right in. So yeah, it's a great thing for him.
Well, congratulations, and it's fantastic to see the Bengal team here. Thank you so much. Back to you guys in the commentary box.
Thanks, Shivani. So at the moment, Joy, his first over proving very costly indeed. He's been going all over, and Rajiv at the moment is a man on the mission, playing to a nicety once again, bowling a bit short, making room for himself, and then dispatching on the offside. A lot of power behind that stroke. 22 boundaries and 7 sixes in this inning so far, and that really tells the story as far as Karnataka Bulldozers is concerned. Once again a long hop, playing it very cleverly in the gap as well.
Well, that's poor bowling. You can't set fields for poor bowling. I think the first one has psyched him up totally. The knockout punch has been delivered by Rajiv. Now he's getting some real loose deliveries and he's punishing them.
Yeah, now he's got the license to go for these shots because he's so well set. Just 5 overs remaining after this over. 150 runs partnership. Once again a poor delivery, but this time once again missing that one. That should have been taken. He is living a charmed life at the moment. Rajiv.
Well, I think this is the third reprieve that Rajiv has got, and all 3 were sitters. Not really used to catching cricket balls.
And on the last occasion, just flighting that one way down the leg side. He's trying a few things at the moment. Once again, not of the best of deliveries. Wide the call from the umpire. He's giving room to the batsman Bhaskar, who's so well set.
That's it!
That's one more boundary for the over. 4 boundaries have been struck so far. lobbing it up. Boundary for the taking for Bhaskar. That form is going to distract you.
And also too easy at the moment for Bhaskar because he's so well set. Seeing the ball like a football at this stage. Moving on to 68, his partner Rajiv on 87. Once again, not the best of deliveries. That's a good effort in the field. 182 for 1.